Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to have a Christmas party with my friends and I finally got a lot of the items that I got for the exchange gift and I wanted to share it to you guys. But I will post this after our Christmas party so that they won't find out who we got because me and my hubby, we both know who we got and I'm going to share it to you guys. I also am going to include a couple of the items that are also gift ideas that are great in the link in my description box that are worth it for you guys to get and also part of the wishes of a couple of my friends. So let's start. Now, the first one I wanted to share with you guys. This one was pretty hard. My friend, actually, the one that I got the name of, is he wanted a bed sheet, or part of his wish list wanted a bed sheet, and the other one was a travel organizer. And right now, I'm a person who actually really likes to think through a really nice gift for the person. Although I wasn't sure that he would like a One Piece anime. I don't know if he likes it, but he likes Pokemon. So, and the one that he sent me a link to is a Pokemon, but it was a different shade or different color. This one is less maintenance because if it gets this dirty, it won't be as obvious. So I wanted one also that's less maintenance and it's also worth as a good gift. Now this is a beautiful green Pokemon bedsheet. It came with a bedsheet and two pillowcases, which is such a good find for the price. And of course, it actually has a couple of the like the trio and Pikachu, and then there's also a Snorlax there, as you can see. Although Snorlax is blue, but I guess the shading here is just different, but that's okay. But look at how cute it is. It also has ash included, but this is so soft and such a worth the price. The print is fine. I'm actually happy with the print. It's not as blurry and they're vivid colors also. So they're beautiful as a bed sheet. And then you could layer it with like a plain white bed sheet or plain white pillowcases for your pillows. Will make this also pop also as pillowcases. And yes, that is so beautiful. It's really thick material. And I ordered one. I think this is the size double. I ordered this just to be safe. It will fit a single. It will just be a bit bigger than a single. And it will also fit a bigger bed than a single. So hopefully he gets to bring this also in Japan because he does work in Japan. That's why we're also having our Christmas party very early because he leaves out for overseas as early as possible. He won't be able to reach us near December. I am going to link the one where I got this one that was super quick delivery compared to the others. And I can't wait for him to get this because I am so excited for him to see the beautiful design of this and hopefully he is happy to get it. Now, continuing with the bed sheets, I wanted this also, but when I ordered the other bed sheets, I wanted this one too. But unfortunately, since that shop again delayed the shipping with this together, I was able to find this in a different shop. But it's still so cute. If you're a person who likes cats, which is evident, and also I will link down also with dogs design. But this one we want to commemorate our recently passed, or they're not recent anymore, but it's still recent in our hearts. Is the cats that we have. We have a lot of ginger cats before. We had 8 cats. One of them is a tomcat, which is great. Just really like Tom. And his name is Crimson. He's so adorable and such a sweet, loving boy. And the other one is Kimchi, which is a ginger cat, a natural ginger cat. She's actually the twin sister of Samjang because they are so similar. Their tails, their look, their patterns, just very, very similar. Fortunately, she didn't make it. She got also sick. All three of them passed for the same virus, which is traumatizing. And Kimchi was the sweet girl that's very closest to the one that also was able to survive the virus, which is Gochu. And yes, we wanted to commemorate them, but it was so hard to find a bed sheet that doesn't have white cat, which is Soju. She was a beautiful pure white cat with blue eyes, and she passed also. So we found one with a white cat there. So there's a white, there's a ginger. This one looks like Sight, which is still very much with us. And of course, there's a gray one right here. So yes, that's why I'm so happy. And then of course, a ginger cat. So I'm happy having them with us, even just, near us on our beds because they love cuddling too. So yeah, that one is painful. But like I said, I'm going to link down also different cat ones. We actually have 2 more cat bed sheets that we've been using already, and they're super comfortable and super soft as well. I will also link them down below, and I'll also link down a few dog bed sheets. They're also in the same shop. I will try to just link them down below. Now, so with cats, I see you guys speaking of this. If you guys do notice this, I got this from a friend, which is a beautiful, also last year, soft shawl cat. And look at it. And there's so many colors of this. And when I found this, I asked him about it. And he sent it to me. And this one, we found it like around 300 plus as well. So all the items are like around 300 pesos, which is really good gift prices. And they're really soft as well. So there's also a blue one, a pink, a beige, and I think there's a green one as well, which I really love because it will really match anyone's vibe of a cat designed shawl. And this also could be used by men, so it's not really bad for gifting it also to guys, especially if guys love cats so much. So this is the closest one because there's no orange. If there was an orange, I probably would love that one more, but he made me choose which one, and so I think it would be easier for me to pair up with the beige, so I got that one. So Baz got someone, the one that he got for as an exchange gift is one of my friends, and I think she'll know who she is when she finds out the gift here. But like I said, I'm posting this after the Christmas party. So I'm just praying that they are gonna open it on the Christmas party itself. So yeah, this one is so cute. So she was able to help me link down SKORT that could be for anyone. There's multiple sizes there, up to 4XL. I think there's also a 5XL there too, which is crazy insane because I know it's really hard to give someone that has, kind of a bigger size, kind of bigger hips. So this is perfect. Like, look at this. This is a 4XL. She's actually not a 4XL anymore. Although she has really bigger, she has really curvy hips. So I think this makes sense to her. Plus, I think she likes it more on the low rise, not the high rise. And I like more the high waist skirts. But yeah, this one is a SKORT. It's really good. It's affordable for around 300 plus. And there's so many sizing, the versatile sizing. And then the color, this one is a gray black color. And look at it. It's so thick. And the feel of it inside, or the feel of it when you wear it, is like when you've used already your jeans, your like really thick jeans a lot. That's very comfortable already. It's at the perfect point. It's at the comfortable size to wear. And yes, I would really recommend it. It's such a worth buy. Now, I will also link a few of the skirts that I've already tried that I bought for myself. If you wanted a different color or different style, but this one is more on the jeans decors that I got there. I will also try to link if there are other items in that shop that are worth the buy also, and I will also link them down below. And I think that's about it. I think I've covered enough for right now. I didn't want to link one more that I probably will link in a different video because they're very focused on that, because I have like a collection of it, which is tumblers. Yes. Don't be surprised. This is like easy, quick Christmas videos that are going to be worth the buy as well if you just check out the designs. So yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see ya. Bye.